So, Philippa, and welcome to the Samoan CEO Walking Diary. Today I went to the physio, and then I went, excuse me, to Coles and Bunnings, and now I've come home and I'm still in my trackies and Uggs, not suitable for walking in. But I figured if I get out of the get out of the car and just go inside, I'm just going to sit and watch TV. And as you can see, the sun is absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous weather for walking. So I can feel my mouth is getting dry and I'm starting to feel hungry. I wanted to make sure that I did the walk before I went inside, otherwise it would not happen. And so this is me walking. What else have I got to say? So at Bunnings, I went to get a power board for the office space because it doesn't have a power board that works very well. So I got one of them. I also got a little powerboardy thing just for my treadmill, walking mat, whatever it's called, so that it lasts longer. And then I did some plant shopping. So I purchased another little mini greenhouse, so I can start my seedlings because next month is spring, and so start them now so that in spring I can just chuck them in the ground or in some pots and have them grow. So I got one of those. I got a new bird of paradise plant. Very excited. I've always wanted one. In fact, the bird of paradise was one of the flowers that we featured in our wedding invitations and decorations. So yes, special meaning there. I also got a feijoa plant. So I hear great things about feijoas, and I've tried them once or twice, but I've never actually cared for them. But I'm hoping that if I have a feijoa plant and it gives me feijoas, I might like them. I do love guavas. I probably should have just gotten a guava plant. I think I'll look out for one next time I'm at the shops. And from Kmart, I got some 5-kilogram dumbbells. So I have, I think it's 2 and 3 or 1 and 3 kilogram dumbbells, and they're a bit light. So my physio had recommended using the 5-kilogram ones, and when I was at the physio center, I actually felt that worked really well. So yeah, got my 5-kilogram dumbbells. Doing the physio and also the chiro have really helped with my achiness and soreness in my body, so I'm able to do more things, move more. And with my increased focus from my medication, I feel like I can do more. And so when I got home today, I did not want to go back inside because I knew I'd eat, I'd sit down, and would not want to move again. I just want to watch TV. So very thankful that I said yes to myself and came for a walk, even if it's a short one, because my shoes are not the best and I don't want my feet to get really bad to hurt. So yeah, that is my day for today. I woke up and I took my medicine, I ate my breakfast, and I knew that I was supposed to do make a YouTube video, and my executive function was not functioning today. In my head, that meant I needed to wash my hair, I needed to do all this research about the topic that I wanted to talk about, and that was too much for me to do today. It has been a full-on week at work, and there's been lots of discussions and social interactions which have drawn my energy levels down very low. So I'm not going to get hard on myself. I will film a video tomorrow and post it tomorrow. And yeah, that is me for today. Faftatila lava and tofa rifwa.